Visit Tabletop Heroes at www.tabletopheroes.co.uk for all your board and miniature gaming needs. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Hello, it's Graham here at Tabletop Heroes. I hope you're well. Today we're going to have a look at an unboxing of the new 1 to 4 player game, Dune Imperium. Dune Imperium is based on the books by Frank Herbert and set on the planet of Arrakis. Dune, the spice must flow. Can you control the spice and control the universe? Let's open up the box and have a look inside. Okay, let's have a quick look at the box itself. The front of the box is fairly minimal and doesn't give an awful lot about the game away. The back of the box there shows you obviously the components and some idea of the artwork. I also noticed there's a Watch It Played video that has been produced for this. So if you visit Rodney Smith's Watch It Played YouTube channel, as always you'll find an excellent instructional video there. He's usually very good at doing those, so that might be worth a visit. Okay, let's open up the box and see what we get inside. So, here we go. Okay, so on top of the box here, there you go. That lays on top of the box. This is the first sort of rule book, I suppose. Some nice artwork there showing a sandworm and the dunes. So a little look inside. Let's see if I can show you some of this. So again, looks like it's fairly well illustrated. The text appears to be quite sort of clear and easy to read on there. There you go. Then we have a set of rules for solo and 2-player game. This game, as I said, plays 1 to 4, so which is one of the things that attracted to me at the moment in the current situation, is I'm hopefully going to be able to play it solo. And then we have this looks like a quick reference guide there to, I'm assuming, which are going to be action spaces on the board. So we have on the back here things that would instantly be recognisable to anyone who is sort of either immersed themselves in the Dune novels or is a bit of a fan of the Frank Herbert universe. So we've got things on there. There's a mentat, cell melange, the spice, selective breeding, a sword master, secure contracts, secrets, all the sort of things that you would expect to find in the Dune universe. Okay, let's have a look inside and see what we've got here. So the first thing we've come across are some punch tokens. There you go. So this, I am assuming, is Baron Harkonnen. We've got a worm there, faction symbols for the different houses, and obviously tokens and markers there to match. The stock looks fairly thick, and everything looks fairly well printed, centrally printed, so it doesn't appear to be any issues with that one. We've got the board itself here. So let's see if we can get this out. This is a 4-fold board. Let's see if we can show you the board itself. Yeah, it's a nice heavy stock again. Have I got this the right way around? Yes. There you go. So I understand the game combines worker placement and deck building. So there's some idea of the board layout there. Hopefully that helps. And have we got anything that I recognise on there? So yes, yeah. There are, again, spaces at the top here, the High Council, Mentat spaces. There are Sitech Tabar, the Great Flats, the Hagar Basin, in various places, steel suits, selective, things that you would recognise again from the universe. And on the side here, we've got, I don't know if I can see it here, down this side, we've got listed factions, and we've got the Emperor, the Space Gilding, the Ben Jesuit, and the Fremen. Okay, let's delve a bit further into the box, see what we've got. Okay, so inside the box, that's the insert there that comes with it. So a cardboard insert split into 4 sections. And let's have a look at some of the things that we get. So individually baggy tokens, wooden hexagon tokens there. I assume these are player colour tokens here. and some rather generic looking discs. I'm assuming these are going to be water tokens. Some generic looking cubes. And oh, some more discs there, some grey coloured discs here. So quite a few tokens in there. Okay, let's have a look at some of these cards that we've got in here now. You can have a look at the artwork on these. Let's split the banding on these if I can. Oh, blimey, that's tight. There we go, got it off in the end. So these are, I'm assuming these are character cards or house cards. So there you go, some idea of the artwork there. And again, characters obviously instantly recognisable. Leto Atreides, Paul Atreides, Ayad Baron Harkonnen, Raban. And these are, I'm liking the artwork on these. Okay, and each of these cards is obviously double-sided with, there you go, some specifications on the back there, yet to be discovered. Okay, we've got a stack of cards in here, so there's a great big wedge of cards here. These are nicely wrapped. Let's peel these off so we can have a look at these. So the rear of the card has the same image as the front of the box cover, actually reminiscent of Terraforming Mars. The cards themselves, yeah, nice sort of glossy, fairly thick stock again, so I think the quality there is good. Let's try and pick some of these out. So again, I don't know what these are going to do in the game, but they look like they are things that are recognisable there. So we've got Spice Harvest and a nice piece of artwork there. Let's have a peel through and see if we can find something else here. Oh, assassination missions, as if. Okay, Dr. Yui. The Imperial Sardaukar Infantry. We've got, say, there are stacks of these here. Ben Jesuit, there you go, Initiates, Imperial Spies. Sounds like there's going to be a lot of sort of the flavour of the intrigue of the worlds in there. Spice Hunters, Smugglers, Chris Knife. There you go, let's have a look at some of these artworks on here. Fedaykin Commandos. Okay, we'll keep going through these. See if there's anything that shifting allegiances. That sounds very thematic. Space travel, Fremen, the test of humanity. Let's have a look there. There you go. So you can see some of the artworks on here. I think I'm liking the look of this. Gurley Halleck. Doesn't look like Patrick Stewart, this one. There you go. Some more, and another wedge, last wedge of these. And what have we got here? There you go, let's have a look through. There you go. The spice must flow. I think that gives you a pretty good idea, doesn't it? So let's put those to one side, and we've got one other pack of cards in here. This is a smaller set, so let's get these unwrapped and we can have a look at these. Ooh, that's easier said than done. There we go, we're in. Almost. Okay, so I assume these are, yeah, so these, I'm assuming some kind of event cards. We have conflict, intrigue cards in here, and let's have a look at the front of them. So there's no sort of great artwork on the front of these. These are all descriptive texts, which I'm assuming will become apparent with the iconography once I've learned how to play the game. Yeah. So there you go. Hopefully that gives you some idea of what we've got in the box there. I'll no doubt in the future be posting up a video of me playing this. It will be solo initially, unfortunately. Very sad face because of the current situation, but hopefully if things go well, sometime in the very near future we'll be able to get together and we'll perhaps be able to share the fun of this game across the table. Other than that, please feel free to visit www.tabletopheroes.co.uk for all your miniature and board gaming needs. And keep yourself safe, and I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.